Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, May the 3rd, 2022. And yeah, I've done a self-test today, and no COVID. But I'm still feeling ill. So I hope the coming days will be better for me. Let's continue with this puzzle. 4496. 4496. Alright. What kind of a binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1, between two O's comes in 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth a 1. So this box should be an O. Okay, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. Oh, wait. We have a double 1 here. So here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And now I think we need to compare. Well, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I cannot compare this column. Well, no. I can compare empty box. 001111001100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! Completed in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Sudoku Mix, aka Killer Sudoku, and a Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.